When you say 3, I'm gonna start talking.
3.
No, you have to give a countdown.
What?
Hey guys, my name is Leslie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a purple gold look. If you want to create it, just keep on watching. Since I've already done the base, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge and my Coty Airspun loose powder and put that underneath my eyes so that if we have any fallout, it doesn't ruin the base. And I'm just gonna put that here on the outer corner. And then once we're done, we're just gonna brush it off. But for now, we're gonna leave it so our foundation doesn't get messed up. I'm gonna start with the ColourPop Silver Lining shadow. That's what that looks like. With a brush that I just had. This brush right here. And I'm gonna put that on the crease and a little bit over the crease. And then I'm gonna use the shade Pageant Queen from my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and that is that purple shade right there, and using the brush that it comes with. And then with this brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and outline it first the way that I want it. I kind of want it winged out a little bit, so I'm gonna put it here like this, and then start packing in that color on the outer edge here. Then I'm gonna blend that just a little bit in together here. I'm gonna leave the middle here without any eyeshadow because we are going to put the gold in there. Just gonna blend those with the other purple shade that we put down. I didn't grab any extra eyeshadow. I'm just blending it in. And then with the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne palette, I'm gonna grab the shade Corona, which is that shade right there. These palettes are not available anymore, but I do have a dupe for that color. You can use the Jaclyn Hill palette and use these two shades together to create a similar shade to that. So let me put it here on my arm so you guys can see it together. It's not exactly alike, but this one's a little bit deeper. This is the Morphe one, and this is the one that I'm gonna put in my eye. But it has that purple like undertone that'll go with the eye look, so you can do that. And plus we're gonna put glitter in the middle anyway, so it'll make it a little bit more gold. I'm just gonna be using that Lunar Beauty brush, the one that I used for the purple, also to pick up that Corona shade. And I'm just gonna place that in the center. And then going back in with the shade Silver Lining from ColourPop, I'm gonna go ahead and just buff that into my crease here. I'm just grabbing this brush here. I'm gonna take off this powder now that we are done with the eyes, and see how none of it got into our foundation. That is a good tip for you guys. And now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that Pageant Queen color again, that purple one from Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and put that on the lash line here. And I'm gonna do the same thing, so I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner, in the inner corner, and then we'll place that gold in the middle. In the waterline, I'm going to use my NYX Faux Blacks Blackberry eyeliner. And in case you guys are wondering why I'm using the sponge to pull down my eye, so I don't leave a mark of my finger on my face. Okay. Gonna go back with that Corona shade from the Urban Decay palette and place that in the center. And then to buff it all together here, I'm going to grab that silver lining shade again from ColourPop and smoke the lower lash line a little bit more. Now in a little more pop of gold, so I'm going to grab this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. I'm going to use it in my eyes, and I've used it before and I was not allergic to it, so it should be okay to use it in my eyes. I'm just going to put that in the center where that Corona shade is. And I'm going to put it on the lower one here too. Just drag it a little bit down. And now with my M Cosmetics black eyeliner, I'm gonna make a little wing. And I'm just going to be a little bit extra and put a little bit of the gold eyeliner here at the end of that wing liner. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with that shade Corona again. And just place it in there with my pinky. And then I'm going to coat my lashes with the Tarte Man Eater mascara. And then for today's look, I am going to be using lashes. I'm going to be using the House of Lashes in the style Iconic. Just using my Duo eyelash adhesive. I'm gonna let those dry.
HPA Beats.
So that is the lashes on. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Canes. It's just like a pinky nude color. Just gonna line my lips with that first. And I'm gonna fill in my lips with that as well. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in the shade Creme Brulee. And then to set everything in place and give it more of a dewy look today, I'm going to go in with my Ciate Dewy Spritz. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you recreate it, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the products that I use on my face today, I will put in the description box. Thank you for watching. Toodles! That better? Yeah. Now a dance off.
Right.
There's no music.